Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm host Martin, and in this episode we're going to be talking about, is the bull market over? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so that you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out right about now. Thank you guys for joining me tonight for an awesome stream. Happy Monday. Hope you're having an awesome Monday. I'm not sure. We're having an awesome Monday. We'll see what's happening here. Jake says rockets. Jeff Loomis, hi. Elon Musk of lurking. What's up? Blood everywhere. We'll see. Andrew, peace. Bingo, hey. May, Kelly Crop, Dog. Yo, yo, yo. Burn for War says mini rockets. Mini rockets, man. Mini rockets. El Producto, what's up? All right, let's get started. Right, there's a lot of things going on. Aren't you glad? I'm glad I got out of Ethereum when I wanted to, so that's pretty good. Aren't you glad you're still in crypto? I'm glad I'm still in crypto. It's a good time to buy. Amazing, he's in the green. He says, "Oh my God, in the green." So I guess he's doing good. Anyways, let's go to the screen where the magic happens. Oh no, look at that. Wait for that to play. There you go. What's up, everyone? What's happening? That is a question. Breaking below 2 trillion. Looks like we hit bottom. We'll see. I mean, alts are pumping 1%. Bitcoin's down 0.71%. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. So we did break below this area again, breaking out of this rectangle that we drew today on Monday. Came back, held support around that 236 at 1.90 trillion, right? We did dip below it, but right now we're trying to hold and recover. So where can we go? Well, 2 trillion in this bottom part of this rectangle are going to be a target that are going to be very, very close together. That might be an area of resistance. We need to get above 2 trillion, right? Bitcoin's below a trillion, sitting at 804 billion, and then market cap, so the market cap for alts is at 1.11 trillion. So what's going on? We're dropping again, rejection right of this area. Is that a for sure thing? Not right now, right? Not right now. We could still try to go back up and get back above it today. Would not be weird if we did that. It will just be like a fake breakout. But again, looking at this with different eyes, and if we go something like this and say, yo, look, there is some sort of, downwards motion going on here, I would say, okay, cool. Yeah, we could seem like we're doing a sort of flag configuration or down sloping consolidation. That usually tends to break to the upside. Now that we got this point and this point here as a bounce, we can confirm that we are kind of holding on to this area, or this idea that we could be within this down sloping channel. Is that the end? No. Could we still drop more? Could. Now we've talked about this, right? We were no strangers to these areas. We had drawings of Bitcoin going down for the last couple of days and targets as to where it could go. So on that note, let's go check out the Bitcoin. Bitcoin futures, 40,650. Breaking below resistance line, 382. Well, as we look at the price of Bitcoin, 42,759. Again, it's still in the red. It's massively pushing back up. That tells us that we're not ready for that move yet. Could it be longs be getting liquidated? It could very well be longs getting liquidated. We'll see how this is going to be happening here, right? Anyways, we are going back up a bit. We did manage to close barely above our resistance here, right? Our support. Well, now it's resistance, but back here was support, and we barely closed there. The closing, 43,005. I had my target at 42,996. So $9, within $9. And then we open, move down, and again, we're trying to get back above this area. It's gonna now become a resistance. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's not necessarily bad. We didn't have anything bearish, but if you remember, when we talk about fractals, remember? Is this what's gonna happen here? Well, today it certainly seems to kind of show that, yes, it could be what we're going for. And if this is the case, what happened here on this drop, Bitcoin came to this zone, right? This area here. Meaning it came to this low, right? Almost hitting the same low back here. And then we bounced. So the fact that we're moving down on a fractal, or what seems to be a fractal, would tell us that Bitcoin could be aiming to go for the 37,000s, right? 37,900, 38,000s, to be around this same area, right? And then we'll see how that is handled. So, not too bad for Bitcoin. Again, we've talked about this, right? How much have we talked about this? We also have the drawing here. So we drew this a while back, a couple days ago, also here, right? That move going up, breaking back down. We weren't at this high even when we drew it, but we're talking about coming up to this area, maybe come back down again. Look at that. We almost hit the same area, right? Because remember, there's an area of volume here that we're going to hit as support. Look at that, man. Hitting that area of volume. Bouncing. Good. All right. Isn't this great, man, that we're hitting our targets, that we're hitting the areas that we want to go to? Look, that bounce almost at the same area, right? The high, around the same area that I had my high. The low, the same area that I had my low, almost a little bit lower, but that's fine. Again, this was just an idea that Bitcoin's going to go here, find resistance, and drop, which is what we went for. Just like when I was looking for that moving up and down, right? And look, we are going for that moving up, right? That moving up, and we're showing that moving down. Again, we don't have to drop to the length of that. I think I drew this going down all the way to zero. It's not going to go there. But the idea was that we're going to get a drop, pump, and a drop, right? Because that's what Bitcoin does after every pump and every death cross. Remember, we talked about this idea. We played with this idea for a bit. Bitcoin death cross, pump, and drop, right? Where's the other one that we talked about? Bitcoin death cross, right? Pump and drop. So, what were we looking for here? Death cross, pump and drop. So, yeah, we're okay so far. Right, last dip in the history of crypto. I'm not sure, man. Will China market affect it? Maybe. Particularly what's happening with that company ever Grande or whatever the hell that was. That might default on 100 billion. People are getting over scared, man. People let stocks affect crypto. It shouldn't be that way. There are different markets. Not sure why people will get scared. It's like, oh my god, the housing market's gonna go down. Everything's gonna go down with it. Let's get out of crypto. Instead of being like, oh, the housing market's gonna go down. That's fine. Crypto might be strong. It's like, no. Like, everyone goes into a negative mindset. Everyone's like, oh, we're all gonna go down. Ariana, yeah. Anyways, Bitcoin is going down. Right, that is a thing right now. It's trying to recover. Like I said, it's bullish. We're rejecting lower prices. Are we going to go back down again? Yeah, we can still go down a bit. We have not gone into the green yet. I really wish we did. I mean, I like the fact that we're pushing back up, but that's about it, though, right? So that's that chart. This chart, look at this. I haven't changed this either. Right, again, hitting that same target and going for that drop. So, I mean, we drew this one also a couple days ago, right? I mean, you can go to yesterday's stream, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. This line's happening there. We're looking for this move on Bitcoin to happen. So am I worried about it? Not right now. I'm seeing it as an opportunity to buy. Just trying to figure out where that aim is going to be, right? I will never use market cipher. You're correct. Anyways, same curve. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring that here. I'm going to bring this like that. And I'm going to say, yo, we fractal the crud out of this. Done. Idea good. Played. Now, are we going to go drop this low? 37, 38,000? I'm not sure right now. I mean, that for this to like complete and move the same way, yeah, we really need to move at least to 41,000, which we already wicked, by the way, right? But we need to move below that area. Anyways, not looking bad. Are we doing bullish divergence? Yes, we are. Finally on the daily, we have bullish divergence for Bitcoin. And with that, the possibility for action to the upside. Let's see how it's going to be handled by the corn and the followers of the corn. I'm not going to draw divergence here. We don't draw divergence here. We draw divergence. Yeah. So, cool, right? We had the bearish divergence moving down. Now, what are we doing? Strong bullish divergence. And that will tell us that Bitcoin is looking for a potential moving up. How strong? Not sure yet. I consider the fact that we're not dropping more to be fairly strong right now. Sold at 38.58. Again, not too bad. We're going to come back up. Doing okay. We need to get above 40,996. We've already discussed that. So, hidden bullish. Not hidden. Strong bullish. Potential fraction to the upside. Is it oversold? No, it's not oversold. Right? We don't have it against the RSI. It's just against the MACD. So, we're going to see if we can get this to go back up. Remember how I told you a lot of people were talking about the cross happening? Oh my God, they're going to cross Bitcoin and the other coin. Was that on the daily? Oh yeah. Oh, I saw a lot of people talking about this cross. Oh my God, we're going to get a cross in the MACD. It's just going to go higher. We're going to go to the moon. Like, wait, right? I talked about this. I said sometimes they get close enough and then they separate again. Sometimes they don't cross. Just because they look like they're going to cross doesn't mean they're going to cross. What happened? What I told you guys. Look as though we were just going to cross. We didn't cross. We diverged. And now we're dropped. So I feel sad for the people that don't watch this that are crypto. Because we do talk a lot about stuff, right? Talk about a lot of good stuff here. Anyways, let's go to the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour for ETH. No, sorry, Bitcoin. Remember I drew this line yesterday? I said, well, we don't really have another high to go to. If I were to have to draw a resistance line, it will be here. We need to get above that line. If we drop lower, we're very likely going to try to come to this zone, right, for support. We broke it. After I went live, we broke it, right? After I went off the air, broke it. And look at that. It just spelled trouble down. Now, do we have anything else to go on here that we could look for to try to hold our hand through these troubled times? We don't. Everything's going lower, more negative momentum and lower still. Here, there's an island separation that had that bearish divergence, making us break down. We had here this move. Remember, we called this move. I said, I don't know yet if we're going to go for this move or the measure of the pull. But this hour, I said on this 4 hour, we were closing this hour on the 17th. I said, on this next 4 hour candle, we're going to hit that move. We hit this move. That's fine. We created bearish divergence. What happened after that? Started to drop, right? Started to reject, breaking below that support line. Right, this blue support line I just highlighted. What happens after that? We drop. We were looking for a drop. Finally broke this area, went down, and tumbled. So, do we have anything here? No, we don't. We're oversold. We're oversold at 21.72. With that, there is a possibility that we might go up. Right? There's a possibility that we might go up. So, do I like it? Just that we go up on the fact that we are oversold? Not really. I really wish we had something more in the technicals, at least a pattern to play off. We don't. So right now it's suffering time. At least in the 4 hour, we're gonna see in the 1 hour if we have something. 1 hour might be creating bullish. Yes, here we go. So 1 hour chart. Look, a lot of pain on this 4 hour on this candle at 7, right? So right as we changed the days, we dropped and then we're trying to recover. Is that good? It's all right. Strong bullish divergence starting to develop. Potential fraction to the upside. We got some kind of recovery happening. So where can we go to? Well, like I said, first target, get above 42,996. Next target, 20 moving average, 43,703. Sold at 35.54. So, on that note, nothing else here that is bearish. Can we say that? No, there was some hidden bearish. Come from a high point to a much lower point. Again, going over data, which I kind of hate. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to anchor it from here. And say, yo, look, bearish. Hidden bearish. Look at how hidden bearish broke us down. Look at how it looked as though it was going to cross, and it didn't. Then it rejected. Then here we crossed slightly. Got some positive momentum. That's when we kind of stagnated here a bit. Right, and then look, drop. Now we're going to cross again. Yeah, it looks as though we might cross. Is this a good end? Ooh, bro. That's going to be a tough question. I actually got to go and change this to a 200 moving average and say, nope. Why am I saying it's not a good end? Well, I mean, we are outside of the 200 Bollinger Bands. That means we do got to come back into them, right? The reason I'm saying no is because we're below a 200 moving average line. For MACD strategy entry, you do want to be above your 200 when you get your cross. And usually when that happens, right, when you're above your 200 and you get your cross, you tend to get a lot of action to the upside. Now, is this going to pump in the case we get a cross? It could. It wouldn't be going in with MACD strategy, though. Could you go in on that cross? Could. You could do good. So again, just be careful though, right? Control your risk. In case we do reject this zone, control your risk. If this crosses again, good chance it might try to go up. This island seems as of right now, it seems as though it might be short-lived. Right, negative momentum island is very low. 38,000 last line of defense. That's yeah, I think we can go balance there. Anyway, sold. Strong bullish divergence also against the RSI. So the corn really trying to like come back in, try to rally. If we do get above that 20, it's gonna be good. Could be looking for more action to the upside, maybe some pain relief happening here. People were talking about max pain. Not sure yet if we're at max pain yet, but you know. Right. I'm going to have to look at the comments in a little bit, guys. Remember, I'm not looking at the comments as I am live. At least not while I'm doing Bitcoin and Ethereum. After that, I'll look at the comments. So we did Bitcoin. Let's go check out Ethereum, because Ethereum is it's doing positive right now. It's 1.39% to the upside. It's going good. It's healing with the rest. But look at the drop. It went almost to 2,789. Right? So we were holding supports. We broke this triangle on a move down. I was looking for a measure move, though. Put us at 2,300. I think we're going to go there right now. And if Bitcoin breaks to 38,000, I'm not sure. I don't think we can go that low. We could. I mean, we've been lower, right? We've been lower here. But this would be back in July. I'm thinking if we drop, yeah, somewhere around here might be an okay zone for Ethereum to go to. We'll be consistent. We might even find some support around here, 2,500. So you're going to keep on dropping. It looks as though it wants to recover, right? All seem as though they want to recover. Like Bitcoin is like, Bitcoin, you're raining our parade. You're ruining our party as we were pumping. And all of a sudden you come in here and drop us. What? Forget you, Bitcoin. Now we're going to pump on you. And it feels like alts are trying to go for that rally. At least Ethereum right now is making the highest point it's made on the day, right? It's no pullback. It's just the top. A little bit of a tiny wick there on top. But again, it is showing that it's bullishly pushing back up. Is there anything happening here? Low, lower low, negative momentum. Are we going to be doing bullish divergence? Oh man. Ooh, I'm gonna have to read it. 73.38, 72. So 73, 72, slightly, ever so slightly less. That's not that bad. It just tells us that we have. If you just want to say they're going sideways, by all means, you could, and it'll just be weak bullish divergence. But in fairness, we do have strong bullish potential fraction to the upside. Neutral at 40.14. It wasn't a big drop for it. I mean, it did take a hit, 10%, but it didn't feel like a big drop. Right now, I'm trying to go for a small rally, recovering some of that drop. Again, a lot of people in the house. Remember, guys, if you like and enjoy the content that we produce here, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord, right? What's happening here? We're looking for some hidden bullish. Did we pump? No, we dropped because Bitcoin dropped. Yeah. Came in a runner-up parade, right? Runner-up parade. Everything's going lower. There's no support. Well, there was support down here, but you know what I mean. There's no support right now. We're trying to pump back up. Neutral at 28.16. There, you can even say there was some strong bullish divergence developing here on E, which again, it's kind of cool. It's trying to go for its own little tiny rally. Like, look, Bitcoin, no hands. Right. Do we have it here on the MACD? We do also. Very, very slightly. 42, 42.27, 42.77. We can just say it's sideways here. So then 42, we just say sideways motion. And with that, weak bullish. So weak bullish against the MACD, strong bullish against the RSI, potential fraction to the upside. Not bad. Not bad. At least we have something bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour. Man, are we going to... Yeah. We're showing that bullishness here as well. Would you look at that on 1 hour chart? Strong. Bullish. Divergence. The crowd goes wild. Slightly bullish, right? Well, strong bullish, but slightly more bullish than if we didn't have this. Look at it, has pumping. Where are we going to go? 20 moving average is going to be a pretty good target, right? 20 moving average is going to be a good target. That's going to be at 3,050 right now. Sorry, no, where are we at? 3,050. We're sitting at 3,017. So yeah, if we do get above that line, top of the Bollinger Bands, and after that, again, this line of resistance that I drew, right? Look at it. We didn't even go to it. We're looking for this bullishness. It's like, oh, no. Drop, right? So again, a heavy drop. And that was because Bitcoin dropped. It started to move the market down. I think if it was left with some devices, Ethereum might have gone for a rally, but the fact that it was so close to Bitcoin, everyone was following Bitcoin, made it basically drop with it, right? So, Ethereum, not looking too bad. At least it has a lot of bullishness. Bullish on the daily, bullish on the 4 hour, bullish on the 1 hour. Let's see if I missed something here in the corn. I doubt it, though. I don't remember seeing it. No, we're coming lower, more negative, and lower still. So nothing here that is bullish on Bitcoin. I didn't miss it. Up next, ADA. Sorry, but before we do ADA, I'm gonna look at your comments. See what you guys think. It's looking like we hit bottom. It could. I'm not gonna call bottom yet. Good vibes, you got this. Thanks. Afghanistan journey. Hello. Is it dip over or not? Will China market affect it? Yeah. I think I already addressed that. Slightly. Alright. More than Piscon. I'll never use market cipher. Alright. I don't need microcipher. I'm not paid off. No, not use it. Here in simple videos. How using ECTA is more effective and easier to see. All right, yeah, that could work. Yeah, that's actually not a bad idea. I'm gonna steal that one from you, CalCrop Doc. Market cipher. I'm gonna write it down. Market cipher versus TA. Alright. Flower hammer. It looks like the Taurus hammer. Spring test. Could be. Callie says he's trying to get more people to see this channel. I agree with you. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. I'm the Cardano of crypto channels. That is a pretty kind comparison. Thank you very much for that. Underrated. I agree. I know. Thanks, man. I appreciate. I know. The thing is, I do have a day job, dude. I cannot be, recording and posting videos during my day job. I really wish I had more time. Like, if I finish a stream and I go straight into making a another small TA video, I could just make a very, very small TA video, but it's gonna be posted right after the stream. So, I'm not sure if that's gonna be better or not. I could try it out. I mean, for sure, it's not a bad idea. Thank you very much for that. Yeah. You gonna sell? Oh, you don't sell on the way down. You sell on the way up. Huh. All right. I hope you haven't sold. Dude. FTM. All right. Jay says not adding here. All right. Evil Cloud says Ethereum to a penny. I'm not sure, man. Thanks for TA. Much appreciated, Peter. Thank you for being here. Trader's Reality best out. Thanks, I appreciate that. I'm pretty sure Tina also appreciates it. Carlton Ortiz, hello. Las Vegas canceled. Next year, maybe. Next year, Vegas. Still need to get, to travel international. I think they're gonna make flu, the shot mandatory. So we'll see. Anyways, let's go check out ADA. Cut up with the stream, the comments. What's up with ADA? $2.14. Is it bad? It's holding. Didn't take that. Oh, well, it took a drop, but it wasn't as massive, right? 8%. It's holding that 786. Look at that. Good. So we went where we thought we could, right? Remember, we were somewhere here yesterday. We said, well, if it drops, 786 will be a target. Holding support there. Great. Bullish divergence is still tracking. Look at this. Look at this. And bullish divergence strong. Potential fraction of the upside. Sold at 39.84. We're looking for a possibility for a rally. Again, we need to break above that line of resistance, right? So we need to get above that area. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart. Bullish. Pop, hit the 20, rejecting, dropping. Are we doing anything bullish? No. We're just sold. 36.97. Looking for action to the upside. Again, holding very nice support here. At, at 786, around $2.03. Or, yeah, $3.03. And man, am I using the laptop yet? No, I haven't finished passing everything off to the laptop. I really need to get time to finish passing everything. I passed everything for the State of Crypto. I just need to figure out how to transfer the scenes from OBS. That way I don't have to set them up from scratch and forgetting something. And there are some plugins that I still need to download for OBS, so that the stream will look the same. Otherwise, I'm not gonna have that blurred image at the beginning. I'm not gonna have this image. I'll show you. I'm not gonna have this image here. I'm not gonna have other images, and I'm not gonna have that visualizer that pops up here. I'm not gonna have the equalizer in the voice, which helps it to where my voice keeps at a certain range. It's not going too high, not going too low. There's still a couple things I still need to go and put on the laptop. It's just been hectic at the office, my friend. Today was one of those hell of a days. Oh, let's check this out here. There was some bearish effort. Hidden bearish, putting pressure on that price. We still have it. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to check on the shorter time scale, zooming in. But I don't think we're going to have it. High to low, positive, less positive. And all right, low to high. It looks as though we have some hidden divergence against the RSI. And how could that play here for us? Oh, dang it. I just don't use the shortcuts ever either. No. I got to start using the shortcuts. To low to high, high to low, hidden bearish, potential fraction downside, maybe stagnation. So Again, holding support, bullish divergence, getting us to rally, getting above the 20, which is good. We want to be above that 20. We should be looking for maybe a little bit more recovery. Hopefully we can reclaim this area here at $2.30. Right now, I'm not sure we're going to go that high. The market's shaky. The market had a movement down that not a lot of people are liking, I would say. So we got to wait a little bit. Bitcoin going positive would certainly help things out. ADA at $2.55. Bitcoin's still negative. So, you know, our alt's going to recover today. It'll be nice. It'll be nice. Crazy day today, Martin. Yes, very good. ADA's bullish, man. I think ADA's going to be one of the, like in the near future, ADA's going to be a really, really good performing coin. Seems like fun to tether, all right. I'm not sure, man. Maybe he's working at Jack in the Box. I think that's what we said last time. See you on the daily. Fun. What is happening with fun? Is it fun? Last time we had was bullish. Pumped. Haven't looked at it since. Ooh, big announcement. Look at this. We have strong bullish effort. They had the possibility for action to upside. Neutral at sold at 34.90. Again, possibility. We had a spinning top. Looks as though we want to move up. But right now we're still seeing struggle today, right? Struggle. Oh no, we're going red. Again, they'll just be confirming bullish effort. What?
Lots of FUD. Shake out those weak hands. I bought the dip on ETH and ADA for a run in Q4. Also, what do you work in?
Yo, that is awesome. Thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
What I'm working right now, it's not what I would like to be working in. I used to work for large trading companies. Then after that, I moved to the banks. And I worked as advisor for the director of markets and securities for a mortgage company. After that, right now I'm doing business development, which is fun. But I really wish I could do this full time. I really enjoy being here on YouTube. And I have a blast streaming. So I really wish I could turn this into a full-time gig. It's just not growing as a channel. So I'm going to see what I can do to make it grow more. Anyways, on that note, which is pretty cool. Anyways, some good news. All right, Villagio MGM Properties will do something Bitcoin like this year or next year. Wow, that's pretty cool. After this drop, I wonder if they feel the same. Lots of FUD. Yes, I agree. There's lots of FUD. There's lots of FUD out there. The saying is, a fool and his money are easily parted, right? So I guess a lot of people are buying. They don't know what's happening. They're gonna get scared and end up dropping. I mean, El Salvador did buy more Bitcoin. Now they hold 700,000 Bitcoin, which I think is pretty good. I thought they bought earlier than they should have. I did tweet something saying, naive, you should have waited for something. I can't remember what I tweeted. But anyways, it's not bad. So let's keep rolling. FunFair, looking for a potential movement up. Let's go to the 4 hour. Low, lower, negative, more negative, lower still. So nothing here that is bullish. Nothing bearish. Neutral at 46.14. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, man, do we have something here? Please be making something. It is. It's creating a hidden bearish. And with that, the possibility of fraction downside, go for the 20. We just hit it on the last couple 1 hour candles. So it's not like the craziest, more exciting thing. We don't have anything here short term. It's just awkward right now. We did move down, hit that 20. It looks as though we want to bounce right now. Struggling to keep going. Are we still red on the day? I think we're red on the day here. Fun. Yeah, not the best, right? Abay has been crying about OMG. He's held my coin. So we're gonna go check out OMG at 4% to the upside. On the daily, yes, it's starting. Remember, we were looking for this divergence start creating. We're anchoring from positive to negative. I said we have an anchor. We're the way we want to anchor, which is to another positive momentum island. Guess what? Now we're there. Bought at 69.23 with strong bearish divergence, and with that, possibility for a movement down. Is it going to move down? I'm not sure. OMG has not been affected by the market. It did drop and recover. It's looking strong. I would say I'll be reserved. I don't think this bearish divergence is going to affect it as bad. Probably not today. Even if we do go to this candle here, in case we do turn red, we still have this divergence. I would just say be careful. It is bullish. It's pushing higher. It's holding. I'm not sure what they got going on right now, but I mean, it's not looking bad. They did create some hidden bullish here on the 1 hour. Sorry, on the daily. That'll be from here to here. All right. And from here to here. With that again, hidden bullish. Actually, the upside. Got the rally. Not looking bad. He didn't care about the corn dropping. Yeah, we know drops usually come in legs of 3. But, you know, this I was looking more as a fractal. So I'm not sure if we're going to get another big drop. We could still go to 38, right? I'm not going to rule that out. That's still in play. Bought at 63.4. Hidden bullish? Let me measure. 0.55, 0.56, all right. No, we're going lower, more negative momentum, lower still. So no, nothing on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour music. Look at it. They're dropping bounce and support. Great. Did we create any divergence? No, we were looking for some divergence here. We didn't quite get it to play, which it's okay. No biggie, right? No biggie. A lot of coins didn't get this divergence to play because Bitcoin was an A. And it made everyone drop with it. And we're not creating anything right now. Look, low to higher point. We could 75.30, 74. All right, we could say that from here to here we had some hidden divergence, and that's what we're stagnating. But right now we don't have anything here on this last bit. We're just moving sideways. And again, it's probably part of the reason that because it's bullish, we're moving sideways. But sideways motion again, flagging. Are we gonna get continuation? We're not getting down sloping consolidation. Usually we want to see down sloping consolidation for continuation. We're moving sideways. That means we're stagnating. We don't know where we want to go, up or down. It's at a standstill on OMG. Unfortunately, I really wish it was more clear, but you know, hidden bearish. Sorry, not hidden, strong bearish. Potential action downside. We're holding, which is bullish enough. But again, we could still go down lower, right? We're flagging sideways. So that means consolidation. Sideways motion, consolidation. Let's go to Bitcoin. Only 1 hour again. Look, it's still struggling. Look at Ethereum. It's only 1%. It's also struggling a bit. Needs to go for that 20. All right, so we're gonna go Bitcoin on the something else. Man, guess what? Guess what? We know what September's known for, right? It's known for its red months. Are we red? Do you guys think we're red in September? I haven't checked. Let's go check it. I'm gonna bring another chart that's a little bit cleaner. If I can do this. That is the weekly. That is a monthly. Oh, look at that. The monthly's turned back onto the red. Oh, haha. Touche. Surprise. We're back on red. All right, so on the weekly, look at it. It's dropping, but it's still holding out of this rectangle, which is fine. Again, just remember this larger rectangle, it's support resistance. On the weekly, we hit that 20, we're bouncing, which again, it's okay. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Here, we'll get this move at fractal. All right, Bitcoin again, trying to recover bullish. Jorge, what's up? You just got from Vegas and well, free vacation. Had little money. Hope you. Oh, that's awesome, dude. That's glad you wanted a free vacation. What's up? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Well, you're also at the same tournament that Preparing for War was. He went to a tournament in Vegas. He was also there recently. So, the corn, not looking too bad. Right now, it looks as though we could be trying to pump up a bit. We'll see, right? Again, we do have that bullish divergence on the daily that's starting to develop. Right? 4 hour, nothing bullish. Just that break from rejections. On the 1 hour, strong bullish. Again, movement. 42,996. That's what I am aiming for here on the corn. What's that HBAR? Yeah, I mean, usually requests have to come in at instead of crypto, right? HBAR, 33.54 cents. Let's go get that HBAR on the daily. Well, yeah, we're looking for some bearish divergence, which obviously didn't play out. It just went higher, and went higher here as well. Went higher here as well. That's fine. We're wrong sometimes. That's normal. We're right most of the times, and that's better. So, hidden bullish. Hidden bullish might give some potential for action to the upside, maybe sideways motion. We did drop with the corn and everyone else, trying to go on the green, but right now it's still red. So, is this good? Yeah, we could try to go for that 20 moving average at 36 cents. Not necessarily bad, although it is a large move. Right? We're at 33 cents. We're talking about going 3 cents up. That's about 10% rally. I'm not sure if it's going to have what it takes to go up there, but that would be the target. All right, if we're just going with the moving average. If we use logic and say, wow, it has to bump 10%, looks a little bit, looks like a little bit harder for feet to make. All right, so around 10%. There we go, 9.71. Right, sure. 4-hour chart. Going down, low, lower, negative, less negative, strong, bullish, divergence. Yeah, the possibility for moving up. Are we going up? No, we're kind of stagnating. It just means that there's some indecision because there's nothing bearish, at least not that I can see right now. So I'll be looking for some kind of, stagnation, which is not bad. Even if we drop lower, we're still going to have this strong bullish divergence. Neutral at 36, sorry, sold at 31.25. And even if we drop lower, low, lower, low, negative, less negative, and low to high on the R side, strong bullish, right? It wouldn't be bad. Halil, what's up? Should buy into your favorite coin now. It's not. I cannot tell you when to buy, my friend. You should buy whenever you feel you can get the best return for your money. If this is a good in for you and it makes sense, then buy. If it's not a good in and it doesn't make sense to you, then don't buy. Can I give you financial advice? Sorry, my friend. We're neutral at 40.35. How is everyone? It's going great. Anyways, going for that 20. Rejection of the 20 consistently. Look, rejected here, rejected around here, rejected here for sure. Going for that 20. Are we going to reject? This might be the time we get above that 20. We do good. Yeah, that's it for HBAR. Other than that, someone said dot. Hey, that one actually came as a formal request. So we'll do dot. That's the last coin I'm going to check. Right. Last coin, dot. No more points. Yeah, you can always cost average, right? Buy a little now, buy more tomorrow. You don't have to jump in at once. Remember, guys, you don't have to jump in at once. You can always buy a little today. If it starts to drop, you can buy a little bit more tomorrow. And if it drops below a certain level, you can always exit. But if it starts to go up, you can always add more to your position as it starts to rise as well. She went to play slots and table games. Ooh. You're buying with casino money. That's okay. So you're playing with gains. That's all good. Akon wasn't BitBoy? Like Akon the rapper wasn't BitBoy? That's pretty good. Low to high, high to low. Bearish divergence going down. Low to high. Negative, more negative. Wrong, hidden bullish divergence. Sorry. Hidden bullish potential for action to the upside, right? Maybe sideways motion. So we should be looking for some stagnation. Darn rally is not bad. Next target would be here at $30.99. Right now, $29.48. If we do break above that line, 20 moving average at $32.62. So lower, negative, more negative, and lower still. Nothing bullish. Short term. Strong bullish on this last bit. All right, strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We're starting to rally. Where are we going to target? Again, 382 at $30.96, right? Almost around that. So that's what I would be looking for to go. Are we gonna get there? We could. I'm gonna say we're not. So we could. It does look as though it wants to go back up. We'll see. It's a 1 hour chart. Man, you can also eat at McDonald's. You don't have to buy like a $30 an ounce steak. Kind of sucks though that buffets are closed.
Thanks for your fractal idea. It helped me decide to take profits on 10% of my portfolio 2 days ago.
That's fairly good, man. Awesome, Crypto Dingo. Much appreciated for that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is amazing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I'm glad that you took some profits. It's pretty good, man. Now you can buy back in with those profits, which is freaking awesome. Intro 46.13. That's it for Doge. Dot. I was going to call it Doge. Not bad again going for rally. There's some news, guys. There's some news as to why the market is potentially going down, right? People are scared. People are scared. Not because the market is going down. I just got to find the news. Where did I put that, man? I think it was here. And all right, so there's a lot of talk about this. Evergrande to likely default, not getting any direct support. S&P, they're going to default on a big loan. And then this article was there, and when I went to check it out, it's no longer there. The link's not valid. And it says, Bitcoin investor seems concerned about the increasing speculation that China's second largest property developer, Evergrande Group, will default in its $300 billion in debts. This fear is manifesting global equities markets, which saw a 1.5 to 3% potential drop. Right, that's what I'm guessing is going to say, because our article I cannot read. But seeing that, it's why people are saying the market's dropping. Is it dropping because of that? Is it dropping because of that? Tell you what, I think we're due for that drop. Is it dropping because of that? I don't think so. I think we're like due for that drop. That news just happens to also coincide, right? Alex, thank you very much for being here, man. What's up?
What's up?
Thank you for being here. By the way, Alex, guys, if you guys know Alex HD, he does Twitch. If you're in Twitch, you should go follow him. I think he's also on YouTube, so you can also go follow him there and give him a sub. He does content regarding gaming, but he's who helps us out with the awesome thumbnails here on this channel. Thank you very much, Alex, for being here. Much appreciated. Let's go. They have a White Castle. Nice. And May says yes is white. All right. BitBoy tried to remind him to distance from giving financial advice by asking him, "Was that financial advice?" And he went, "Heck yeah, it's financial advice." I'm gonna have to check him out, I guess, right? It's a good place to be, yeah. I'm gonna have to go check out that video. I didn't see it. He has his own coin, a coin, I think it's called. Right? Are we finished dumping? Debbie, that's a good question. It looks as though for the short term, we could be finished dumping. We're gonna go back to the positive. We could. Again, we need to test that 20 moving average. Are we gonna get an insane rally from here? Not sure yet. There is bullish divergence though, right? We're looking for that bullish divergence for action to the upside. Look, we're hitting resistance at 42,996, which we need to get above. So how we handle that resistance is gonna be key. Like I said, this island might be short-lived, right? We're gonna get that cross in the Magdalene signal line. We could be going for some action to the upside. Maybe get above that 20 moving average. Probably even try to retest. I'm gonna go a little bit higher here than I would like to, but I'm gonna say we might try to retest 45,467 if we do go for a bounce. Again, we did take a massive movement down yesterday. And what we know is that usually after movement down or large movement downs, we do tend to get some reaction rally happening. Here we got the reaction rally happening on the same day. Here I mean, the drop happening in like 2 days, most of it happening today also. And we're getting that reaction rally to get us higher. So I am not that. Am I trying to recover lost data with East US? Yes, I am. One of my hard drives, started to read raw, and I had to take it out of the old laptop it was in. I put it in a case, and I was able to actually recover a lot of stuff from it, which was pretty good. I finished recovering, but I still have East US there. Oh, Chinese markets are closed until Wednesday. That's interesting. All right. That's crazy. I think, look, if the markets for stocks didn't open, I'm pretty sure whatever crypto trades in, it's probably open. Multiple Asian holidays this week, yeah. I mean, crypto markets don't close, right? Crypto markets don't care about trading. They don't care about holidays. They just care about trading. So whatever China uses for trading might still be up and running. You think Chinese hackers are going to sit there and say, oh, it's a holiday. We're not going to hack today. It's a holiday. Let the world have peace. No, they're probably going to be more interested in hacking when people less expect it, which is probably on holidays. Expect them all to be home chilling. They'll be like, no, we're going to hack. Kidding. What else are we going to do, man? I think we've gone through everything we're going to go through. Talk about Bitcoin. Talk about Ethereum. Let's go here quickly on the Bitcoin minute chart. See how it's recovering. It's going to look majestic. Oh, look at that. Bitcoin is in a major uptrend. This is a V-shaped recovery. Do I like how this recovery looks? Not bad. I mean, we're just recovering to the level we were prior to that drop today. This still doesn't get rid of the fact that we took a 7% hit yesterday. Or 8% hit in the market. How much was Bitcoin? 9%. All right, 9%. Look at that, right? So where's it going to go? Well, I mean, again, it has to break. Well, right now it's slightly above, but it has to break 40,996, confirming above it. Still go up. Like I said, might go for that 45,467. That looks, it could be a good area that you could try to aim for. It would be a pretty solid recovery. Particularly if we leave this large wick here, it started to remind me as to what we were doing back here, right? Where was it? There was like here, not here. I'm gonna have to go here on this chart real quick, see if I can find it. It's a little bit cleaner. It's gonna make it easier for me to go look for what I want to find. Y'all remember when we were getting these insane days where Bitcoin dropped, wicked large, and then started to recover a couple days after? Well, it's a lot of large wicks on Bitcoin. I don't know. So again, like here, right? Recover, and then we started on that recovery. Yeah. So this could be signaling that we're done. Right, one large wick, two large wicks. One leg, two legs. We know drops happening in legs of 3. So we'll see. We'll try to see if we can go for bounce again. Maybe 45,000. Right, that could be a target. Don't mean we have to go there, right? Again, I'm looking as to where it could bounce. It would be a pretty solid bounce. We go to 45,000. But after a large move down, what we usually do is consolidate. Right, if it goes for a bounce on the bullish divergence, but stop dropping and consolidating would not necessarily be bad. We know that happens. It's happened here, right? Large drop, consolidation, right? Drop, down slumping consolidation, broke to the upside, another drop. Now we got to consolidate. I mean, yeah, large moves down scare people. People probably bought here, now are hurting, and they're probably like, "Oh, this is a scam. I hate Bitcoin. I hate whatever." What happens. Anyways, still in the red, still below 2,290. So 42,996. What the hell was I saying? It needs to get above that area. We have 2 minutes and 37 seconds to go to get above that area on this candle. Otherwise, it's still a resistance. We could still try to get above it. But, you know, like I said, V-shaped recovery. We can still recover up here to the 1 hour. Wouldn't be bad. 43,900. Not a bad target. We have the 20 to face it as resistance. Are we going to get above there? Not sure yet. All right. Bullish divergence. We do need to draw a resistance line. We haven't drawn a resistance line that we need to break to go back on a bull trend. That line will be looking like this. That means we're breaking that line and trying to go back on a bull trend. Do I like this as a line? Nope. It's too steep. But it's the only 2 contact points that we can have. 1, 2. While we create this divergence, right? It'll tell us that we're looking for this to go higher. The other point we could grab is this one, but it wouldn't make sense. It's not one of the highest points. If we were to go here and draw this like that, then we are hitting that resistance line right now. Right. So again, am I gonna go with this one now? I usually like to draw it from up here. It would make more sense. As before the drop happened, it would have a little bit better contact points. But this one, by looking at this one again, I can see that we hit here once. We hit here with this wick as well, 2, 3 rejections, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're just rejecting a row. So this could be the line that we need to draw, right? Just because I don't like it doesn't mean it's wrong. I would have loved to draw it from up here. We're just not getting as many contact points as we are by going from here. So it looks from here as though it's a more solid rejection line. So this is our trend line resistance. That's what we need to get above and try to back test before we can run. Anyways, that's it for this 1 hour. We have 1 minute. Right on. So, by the way, did you guys sell? Did you guys sell or did you buy? Type 1 if you sold, type 2 if you're buying. Let me know in the chat. I'm interested. I'm interested to know how you guys feel with the market. You sell, did you buy? Type 1, type 2. Going green. All right. Yeah, a lot of coins seem as though they want to start recovering, right? Or he sold. All right. War says he sold land. And May sold. All right. 1 and 2 for weak holds. All right. All right. All right. All right. It's nice. Well, a lot of people seem to be selling. Mainline Medias is 3. All right. So he bought and sold, I guess. Money Garcia says, I'm thinking about buying. Yeah, smart move. I think it's okay. Here, look, we closed. Oh, we closed right on target. Oh, bro, that just makes this a lot more difficult. Why does it make it difficult? I'll tell you why in a second. The reason that it makes it difficult is because this is not a for real breakout. We closed right where we drew the line that goes through the touch points that we drew up here, right? So that's fine. So we're hitting that line. What that tells me is that this open is not a for sure break. It could act as a breakout if we hit and bounce. Otherwise, this opening off to the side is just fortuitous coincidence. Now it tells that we're, could still be going down to be below that line. Wait to figure out why. Right? I said 2's buy. I said 2's buy. All right, cool. I'm sorry about that. I thought I said 1 is buy, 2 is sell. No. All right, so 2's buy. All right, so y'all bought. Great. I'm glad to see you guys are buying. I'm sorry about that. Did I just like went sideways in my head for a second? You think we see 37? Yeah, that would not be a bad target. I think 38. It's a good area to look at. 40,000 might also be a good area to look at. They're gonna trap retail traders before London. All right. So bounce here. Oh man, it needs to test that line and bounce. Otherwise, it could be dropping still. So late at 290, bought back at 202. That's pretty good. That's pretty good buy for him. Congrats on that. Like I said, this is going to depend on how it handles this line. If it comes back and bounces, we're good. If it comes down and breaks below the line, and we still close below the line, it's going to be facing us a resistance still. And when we face resistance and we fail to get above it, we do know we drop more. We tend to look for lower areas of value, create more divergence, try to rally. But it is short-lived. Look, we're back on the green here on this island, which is good. Remember I said that? It's on my turn green. It's going to be short-lived. I'm looking for a rally. I'm looking for a bounce. Now, if you ask me what I'm looking for a bounce. Right? Again, we have bullish divergence on the daily. We have bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Hopefully, we can materialize those into rallies. We'll see what happens, right? Again, consolidation would not be a weird thing to see. Ooh, you want to sell before the debt? Oh, that sucks. If you're worried about stuff like that happening, just make sure you set up stop loss. You don't always sell, or just set up whatever the limit there trade you want to place there, so you can sell at that point. By the way, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Thank you for joining us here at the State of Crypto. Again, it's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight, or this awesome stream. What else am I going to say? Yeah, remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Thank you very much, man. Much appreciate your kind comment. Everyone that's taking profits and has avoided losses, that's awesome. I'm really, really happy for you guys. Hopefully the last shakeout before the last. Yeah, we'll see. Peace, love, and huddle. Yeah, that's it, Jake. Peace, love, and huddle. Guys, until tomorrow.